Welcome back, everybody. Today we are boring another hole for our mini split AC. I wanted to show you an easier way to do it. We're going to be boring through this concrete wall, and what we've done is we've bored a pilot hole of where it's supposed to go, and we're now going to bore a 3-inch hole. And in order to do that, we have a jig that we've created. I'm going to show you how that all works. So we've created a jig that's exactly 3 inches in diameter, and we're going to place it over the hole. Alright, so we've secured the jig in place to give us easier access to the future bore. Alright, so for this exercise we're using this 3-inch coring bit, and we're going to keep it on the regular screwing pattern and not the hammer action, because it's loud as hell and it's not very effective. So there's the hole. We cut into the web of the cinder block. So we're gonna go in from the other end and see if we can make a headway from there. So I just want to show you what a coring sample looks like. That's what comes out of here. Alright, we still got a piece of the web in there. We're going to go and chip that out. Alright, so this is how you bore a hole for a mini splits.